Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about the newest addition to our Discord server, the Collaborator bot. The purpose of this bot is to allow collaborators, as well as the governors, to start their own projects or initiatives within the Discord server itself. So what does the Collaborator bot actually do? It essentially makes private direct messages in the form of text channels for any group of people on our server. So this bot utilizes this category called collaborators, and you use all the commands in this channel called new project. So that's how you're going to control the bot. So if you head over to new project, you'll see that I put in the command for .help, and this is going to pull up a list of everything that you could do with the bot. But before we get into that, let's talk about why we're even making this in the first place and why we implemented it. So the main reason why we're using this bot now is to cut down on the large amount of group DMs that we have scattered all in our private messages. I'm sure the governors know this quite well, but to be honest, if you use Discord, I'm sure you also know that your private messages can get unorganized quite quickly. So this essentially just keeps all the conversations in one place, especially ODIN related conversations. So a group direct message is a maximum of 10 people, whereas an actual channel on a server can have any amount of members at any given time. Not only that, all the governors are going to be automatically included in all the projects and initiatives taking place. And the reason for this is so that they can give their input or insight to anything that's going on, or if any of the collaborators have any questions or concerns, they could always ping us and we could be right there to answer their questions. So lastly, we really just want to encourage more collaboration from our own community members, and this could be a great way to do that because it allows them to collaborate and start their own projects or initiatives quite easily. And once more and more people see all the collaboration taking place, hopefully more and more want to be a part of it. So now we're going to go over an example of how to use the bot and what it's going to look like while you're creating your group DM. So let's begin with figuring out who we're going to collaborate with. For this example, let's use the voice as well as Isaboa. So we're going to start with the command .collaborate. And since you're already included, all you got to do is just @ the other members that you're going to want to be working with. So the voice as well as Isaboa. No commas, no spaces, just that. So the three of us, we're going to start on a project, and let's hit enter. So the collaborator bot says success. Proceed to project 8 to begin. As you see, a channel was created automatically. So let's click on the channel, and it's going to ask you one of these questions to begin. What is the name of this project? So for this example, let's just name it Project Manager Ideas. So let's also give this a description. We need to find someone to do these tasks. I'm just going to copy and paste it as an example. So the bot's going to ask you if this looks good. Basically, it says the name of the channel, the description of what the channel is all about, and then all the members. So you could react with a thumbs up if this is what you'd like to do, or you could react with the thumbs down and the channel will automatically be deleted. So this is exactly how we want it to go. So let's react with the thumbs up. So now the channel is created. As you can see, this is the channel description essentially. It's already pinned, so you could always check the pinned messages for project information. And basically, let's get into it. So this is what it's going to look like after you create your group DM. You may have noticed the governance team is being shown because, like I mentioned before, they are included in all of these projects and initiatives taking place. And the voice is also in here, as well as Isaboa, however he is appearing offline right now. So once you're in your group DM, it's just a regular channel, but there are a couple commands that you could be using for your channel. So it does tell you right there to add and remove users, but we could also see those commands again by typing .help. So for example, let's say we want to add a user to our group DM. It is a private channel, so you can't really @ everybody. For example, if I wanted to @ Alpapor, he's not going to show up. So what I have to do here, go to general, for example, I'll type in @Alpapor where it can get recognized. I'll copy that. I'll go back to my project, and then I'll use the command .add, paste his name, and then Alpapor has been added to the project channel. And as you see, here he is. But what if you want to remove a user from the channel? Let's say we like what Alpapor is doing, but the voice just isn't cutting it anymore. So we're just going to basically do the same thing, input a command, and then do the voice's username @ him. You're going to press enter, and then he gets removed from your project channel. So pretty much all the functions of a private DM, however, it's as a channel on the Discord server. So let's say you finish your project or your initiative and it's time to close the group DM. All you have to do is use the command .delete, and note, only the person that created the channel can use this command. And once you hit enter, you're going to be asked, are you sure you'd like to archive this project channel? It won't be usable after, and make sure you're 100% finished. React with a thumbs up to confirm or a thumbs down to cancel. So once you press thumbs up, the channel gets archived into another category, and basically you're done. Once the channel has been archived, it's only going to be visible to administrators on the Discord server, and then it'll be up for manual deletion. I hope you guys enjoyed this explanation and tutorial on how to use the new collaborator bot. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, never hesitate to reach out to me at hypoluxy6666. That also goes for all the other governors. We're always available. And last but not least, big shout out to that Tonybo for being the one behind the collaborator bot. I found them from Astro Studios, which is a Discord server that offers many services ranging from graphic design to Discord bot creation, as well as many other programming things. So definitely a big shout out to them for helping me. Very fast and affordable services. Highly recommend them. And that's it for me, everyone. Until next time.